What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, we do have an update on Spell token, which has gone up just about 4% in the last 24 hours. Nothing major. Again, the crypto has been dropping in value quite a bit since early February. It's been hitting red candles constantly, and not just Spell token, but the crypto market in general, including Bitcoin, has been more on the red side. So we'll be going into quarter two. What can we expect from Spell token? Is it a buy, is it a sell, or is it simply a hold situation right now, and looking at its long-term prediction for the rest of the year? But before I do that, if you're new to the channel, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway. And also, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So looking at the daily chart, we can see the crypto right now is trading at just about the lower part of the Bollinger Band. It did drop below that earlier yesterday and the day before. However, it has slowly recovered, and at the moment it is likely to hover in the lower half. It is very unlikely to pump up or break out anytime soon into the upper half, at least for the next couple of weeks, because the crypto market is likely to hit more red candles over the coming days and potentially over the next week or two because of what Trump is currently doing. He's literally making the stock market and the crypto market crashed like crazy with all the tariffs that he's inputting on different countries and so on, which has had a major impact. And as you guys can see, when he did enforce the tariffs on UK 2 days ago, we can see it did, well, not just Spell token, but the crypto market in general did take a dip, and the stock market as well, and it's still ongoing. So at the moment it is likely to drop down further. I am predicting Spell token to essentially keep dropping in value at a slow and steady pace before heading back up in value towards late April, May, June is when I'm predicting Spell token and the crypto market to go for a minimal increase in value and potentially I'm predicting Bitcoin to be heading over $120,000-$130,000 heading into Q3, so over the next 3 to 4 months. We still have got a lot of time, but that's my prediction over the next quarter. An overall increase in value from the from Bitcoin, which should again have a major positive impact on the crypto market. Looking at the RSI, it is pretty low, currently at 40.16. It is closer to being undervalued to overvalued, which is not looking too great. So yes, I'm predicting it to drop down further. The yellow value, which is at 40, should drop down to around just about 30 or below 30 over the next 2 to 3 weeks, which should then enforce the crypto market Spell token to go for an increase in value, because then the crypto market will be on the red side, undervalued, and was to again bring that back up, we should see an increase in value. And again, if we zoom in into the hourly chart and bring out the MACD indicator here, we can see that the MACD line is indeed trading above the signal line and the baseline, which is looking quite good. Over the next couple of hours, increases in value are predicted. However, do bear in mind that is only for the next few hours. If we do zoom out a little bit further to the 4-hour chart, we can see the MACD line has dropped below the baseline, however still trading over the signal line, which indicates an overall fluctuation in value from Spell token over the next week or so. So heading towards next week, end of next week, essentially mid-April, we should predict it to hover around the same value as where it is at the moment. And zooming out to the daily chart, the MACD line is trading below the signal line and below the baseline, indicating a bearish movement for Spell token over the next month or two, which yes, I do agree with at the moment. However, heading a few months after that, we should see increases in value. But again, it is the crypto market, it is a volatile market like crazy, guys. And heading back into the CoinMarketCap website, the crypto is down 13% over the last week and a huge 23% over the last month itself. So near about a fifth of its value has been wiped off in a single month. And not just Spell token, but majority of the crypto market is on the red side overall for the month. The trading volume right now is up just about 120% at $41 million. So yeah, at the moment, as I mentioned, as you guys can see, let's have a look at how much it has essentially dropped since its peak when it was here in late January all the way up until now. It has dropped a massive 73% in value in a space of about just under 3 months, guys, which is not looking too great at all. As you guys can see, 73% down, and prior to that it did go for a major increase, which essentially has balanced it out, but that is not the way we want to see the market go. But yeah, let me know your prediction for Spell token going into Q2 and over the next couple of months. How high and how low can this crypto go? Comment down below, guys. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway, and I'll catch you guys in my next update. Until then, take care and peace.